Welcome to Color Pencil School Hub. In this video, I'll show you everything that's available to our members at Color Pencil School. Here is the home page where you can navigate through a library of nearly 50 playlists. You'll find a tutorial library that's been carefully curated into different categories based on your skill level, the length of the tutorial, the subject, or even the surface that you would like to work on. Say you want to try an intermediate level tutorial, a human portrait, or drawing on drafting film. You can find what you need in just a few clicks. All tutorials include complete lists of materials and step-by-step videos to help you finish your artwork confidently and at your own pace. Apart from weekly draw-along session replays, you'll also have access to recordings of all other live activities, including Beginners Art Club, focusing on core skills and simpler projects, monthly critic and Q&A sessions, where we look at your drawings together, and our most exciting creative quest sharing, encouraging members to draw independently and share their experiences. Right now, we have a growing library of around 40 full tutorials across different categories, and the best part is that this library keeps expanding every week. As a member, you'll have access to everything already inside the hub, plus every new tutorial added while you remain a member. Last but not least, the hub also includes a private community where Color Pencil School members can connect, share their artwork, ask questions, and support each other in a friendly space away from social media.